It's Danielle McPherson with tonight's weather. Some of Queensland's inland areas have had some welcome rain overnight as showers and storms started creeping into the southeast coast today. North of there stayed fairly dry and warm though. Those wet conditions should start heading northeasterly tomorrow. Temperatures today across the Sunshine Coast region. At Maroochy Airport, 17 to 23 degrees with an afternoon humidity of 83%. Tewantin got 24 degrees and Nambour 23. On the satellite loop, a long cloud band extends from northwestern Queensland through central Queensland and right down to the southeast. That's bringing showers and storms to areas of the state, even some rain patches in the southeast. On today's chart, you can see that trough stretching right from the country's north to south, causing that cloud band. It's pretty slow moving and brought some welcome rain to some inland areas of Queensland last night. On tomorrow's chart, that trough should contract slightly northeast tomorrow and move closer to the state's coast, which should see showers and storms develop in central Queensland. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. Variable winds blowing about 10 knots tomorrow and Saturday. Seas below 1 metre for the next 2 days as well. Pretty clean on most of the beaches today. Nice surf on the open beaches with waves around 1.5 metres and a little wave at Noosa. A nice beach morning expected for Alex Headland. Tomorrow's high tides at Noosa are about 6:20 a.m, peaking at 1.6 metres at the head for Mooloolaba and Caloundra, top of the tides 6:30 a.m. The southeast coast district 70% chance of rain, tending to showers in the afternoon. Maroochydore 15 to 21 degrees, Maleny 19, Nambour 21, Gympie also 21. Looking ahead for the Sunshine Coast, rain on Saturday, medium chance of showers on Sunday, then sunny for a couple of days. Maximums mostly around the mid-20s. That's all the weather for tonight, folks. Thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on the latest. Hope you can join me then. Here's Scott Hillier with the Fishing Report.